Hello and welcome to Financeable on this new video on how to log in into Ocean Finance account. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started with the tutorial. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of it. And when you have opened it, you just need to look in the top of the web browser. There will be a search bar and just click on the search bar and type Ocean Finance login. And when you have typed it, you just need to click enter in the keyboard. After that, the search results will be shown to you, and the first search result is Ocean Finance sign in portal search. So you just have to click on this sign in button and it will direct you to the interface of the Ocean Finance. So firstly, you just need to click on the accept all cookies, and when you are inside here, there is an options for you to sign in with either Facebook or LinkedIn, or you can just enter your email. And when you have entered your email, you can just click on the sign in button, and after that there will be another portal for you to enter the password, and you can just enter your password and you can click on the sign in button once more, and you will be directed to the Ocean Finance interface, and there you can enjoy all the facilities and services provided to you by Ocean Finance. So this is how you can easily log in into Ocean Finance account. So if this video was helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.